So double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson, losing her first race of the season, has become the biggest talking point in local track and field, such as being the imperious and dominant form and the elevated status of Elaine this season. That by just losing a single race is caused one bag of argument. But hear me now. The Elaine Thompson we've been seeing all season was not supposed to lose to nobody. But I think she got beaten in that race, fair and square. This thing about her running easy and running not to win the race, me no bite. She got beaten running the fastest 200 of a dominant season, running hard late in the race and finishing third to Tori Bowie and Shawnee Miller. And people saying, don't worry, Elaine was taking it easy and she will improve towards the back end of the season and none of them little runners will beat her. But that no make no sense to me, because if Tori Bowie and Shawnee Miller beat Elaine doing her season's best, why will Elaine alone improve and Bowie and Miller not also improve? Why will Elaine alone advance? Why Bowie and Miller are going to go back way? Me no buy that. And look, and a panic, me a panic. Maverick don't panic. Me just shocked to see Elaine lose, which means that World Championships coming up, she actually can lose. I don't believe she will lose, but no, me know she can lose. Hello, deep down in my heart, me 100% sure says she cannot lose. We just feel confused.